Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to review this TopDeck binder, okay? So with this binder in particular, there's about 1,000 and I think 24 card slots here. So this is what it looks like, and so I have the white version. So let me go and put this down a little. So it's a zipper binder. It's definitely bigger than a regular binder, so keep that in mind if you do plan on getting this. But it doesn't hold top loaders, but it just holds cards. So as you can see here, a lot of different pages, and they're all side loaders as well. But one thing to keep in mind is that the penny sleeve, so if I grab a card with the penny sleeve, it's gonna kind of be quite a tight fit. So I'd recommend that the sleeves that you use are card tight sleeves so that it'll easily fit into this top loader binder. But if you don't mind carrying a giant binder as like a trade binder, I mean, this is an excellent way to kind of have everything stored in one binder and not have multiple binders for different things. You can see here it zippers up. There's multiple different colors, and when you're ready to trade, you can just go ahead and unzip it. So with this binder in particular, I'd say it's a 4x4. So you've got 4 cards here, and then you have 4 cards there, leading to 16 cards total per page. And so with this binder, it's bigger than your regular binder, as I've mentioned before, but I've had no problems with it whatsoever. Just keep in mind though that the regular penny sleeves, it's gonna be a really tight fit within here. So just make sure to use those card tight sleeves or dragon sleeves if you wanna go ahead and place cards in here. But no problems whatsoever.